Wala na, Chairman. Ayos! Ang lambot!
Kabisado.
Bata!
Ulysses? Bago kung ano pa ang mangyari, pwede bang lumuhod ka na? Kneel down in front of Sarah. Remember, you have to use your teeth in removing the garter. Ulysses, ang tatanggalin, bridal garter lang, wala nang iba. Ready, get set, go! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with the groom removing the bridal garter, putting it with the use of his teeth, pulling it down, sabi ng bridal garter lang.
Pambilis ha, Chairman. Ayos!
May part, kumita talaga. Ang saya. Sige, hawakan mo lang, Ulysses, because we'll be using the bridal garter in a short moment. Sarah